Hello, Paul Watts here. If you are currently in year 12 or year 13 and studying A-level physics and you're aiming to get an A or an A star in order to get into top university of your choice, but you think you might need a little bit of extra help and support in doing that, then the program which I've set up called High Flying Physics might be of use to you. Starting in September 2021, I'm going to be regularly posting up a number of short videos which are going to be covering different aspects of the A-level physics course. They're going to be aspects that traditionally students struggle with, and traditionally where students lose marks in exams. The examples of those might be resolving vectors. It might be in gravitational potential. They'll be in things like motion in a vertical circle, potential divider circuits, to name but a few. The videos will offer help and support and explanation, and there'll be some difficult questions with some work solutions. The content won't be easy. It will be very much focused on the more challenging aspects of the physics. It's not going to be a plod through the whole A-level physics course, but as I've said, it's going to be very much focused on the difficult stuff. The aim of High Flying Physics is to try and get students to move from being a B, C grade students to being an A star type student, and therefore getting into their university of choice. About me, I've been teaching A-level physics for 30 years. I have been a head of physics, I've been a head of science, I've been a deputy headmaster, and I'm now a part-time teacher, part-time A-level physics teacher in an independent school in Bath in Somerset. And over the years I've helped hundreds of students reach their top grades and get into their university of choice. The most important thing that I've learnt over the years is, in order to get an A or an A star, to be honest with you, you don't have to be super clever, you don't have to work every hour that God sends, you don't have to be a nerd. It's about working smart. It's about making sure that the way you work is targeted and making sure it's effective. And the program at High Flying Physics is very much geared up to support you in being able to do that. So if you think you might find the short videos helpful that are going to be produced in the High Flying Physics program, and you'd like to get notifications of when each short video is produced, if you could subscribe below, or like, or follow, depending whatever platform that you're watching this video on, then that would be great. Also, if you'd like to contact me and let me know if there's anything that you in particular struggle with and that you want help with, in which case I can very much gear future input to your needs. Okay, thanks for listening, and see you soon. Thanks, bye.